Bonjour, class. Last time we went over the numbers 11 through 20. Actually, we counted to 29 because you can count, if you know 20 and you know 1 through 9, you should be able to count to 29. So let's review 11 through 20, and then we'll move on and be able to count by tens to 100. Owns, do's, treads, cadors, cans, says, dix-sept, dix-huit, dix-neuf, vingt. Very good. Let's move on and do to 100 counting by 10. So we know 10 is dix. We know 20 is vingt. 30 is trente. Right? 30, like the 20s, is the same. If you know 1 through 9, you can count from 30 to 39. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And then we get to 40, which is 40. So répétez. 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40. 50 is 50, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 60, 60. Right? Remember, anytime we see OI together, it's pronounced wa. So it is pronounced soixante. It kind of rhymes with croissant. So you might remember it by saying something like, Je mange 60 croissants. I eat 60 croissants. Je mange 60 croissants. All right. For 70, 80, and 90, we don't learn any new words, kind of like with 17, 18, and 19. So 70 is soixante dix. So you have 60 and 10. Soixante dix. All right. So the other sets of numbers, if you knew 1 through 9, you were fine to go ahead and count. Like 60 would be soixante, soixante un, soixante deux, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. And then we get to soixante dix. So we've counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that means 71 would be soixante onze. Because after dix comes 11. Soixante onze, soixante douze, soixante treize, soixante quatorze, soixante quinze, soixante seize, soixante dix-sept, soixante dix-huit, soixante dix-neuf. Right? And then we get to 80, which again are words we already know. We have cat and we have vingt. Cat, if we remember, is 4. Cat is 4. Vingt is 20. Very good. So we have 4 times 20 gives us 80. Cat vingt. And this one, to count to 89, you just need to know 1 through 9. So cat vingt un, cat vingt deux, cat vingt trois, cat vingt quatre, cat vingt cinq, cat vingt six, cat vingt sept, cat vingt huit, cat vingt neuf. And then the 90s are like the 70s, where it's cat vingt dix. So 4 times 20 plus 10. So we've counted 89, 80, 10. So 91 would be 80, 11. Cat vingt onze, cat vingt douze, cat vingt treize, cat vingt quatorze, cat vingt quinze, 4, 97, 98, 99. So 99 is 99. That's a whole lot of words. So you think if 99 is 99, 100 must be a really long word, but it is not. It is actually salt. Salt. Think of a cent. You need 100 cents to make a dollar. So let's go through and repeat these. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Right? So the challenge to you is A, count by tens to 100, and B, count to 100 by ones, and a third challenge is to practice your multiplication tables using French numbers.